Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, anytime you go ahead and open up a certain app, maybe it's not like that. Maybe it's an app like this, for example. Wait, nope. Maybe it's an app like this. For some reason, it doesn't work on any other My Apps. Sometimes it may give you a little option where it tells you that a certain app either isn't available or that it's untrusted. Now, there's a couple of different reasons why this may happen, but the easiest way to determine if this is an issue that you can fix or not is to literally go into your system settings. So you want to go into your system settings just like this. You then want to scroll down into General. You want to scroll down into Profiles and Device Management, and you want to see if you can trust any of the options that are available. So right here, this says delete apps, so there's no trust icon. You want to click here. If there's no trust icon anywhere, then that typically means there's nothing you can really do to fix it, because typically what that means is if you're getting untrusted developer or Delta is no longer found or any other option like that, this typically means that the certificate that you were using to use that specific app and install it and use it is technically gone. It's not viable anymore. You can't really do anything with it. And it's a super common thing. You're not in a minority here. This happens literally probably every week sometimes. Unless you're using something like AltStore, most of the time you have to go ahead and actually either wait for a certificate to be installed or use an app like AltStore to actually install those apps. So the only way to fix it is to either go back into an app like TutuBox or App Valley or something like that and either re-sign those apps via just downloading it if they have a new certificate and reinstalling those apps so you can go ahead and open up these emulators and open up those games and stuff like that. Now, if for some reason that isn't working or there's no certificates available, the only other thing you can do for the most part is pretty much just to use AltStore. That's really the only other option you have at this point. AltStore is another really awesome app that I use all the time. At least I used to. I don't really use it anymore. It allows you to sign these type of certificates by yourself without having to use anything else, and it's very awesome. I love it a lot. And that is the number one thing that I used to do all the time to install these type of apps. So you have two different options, either installing AltStore or reinstalling the app via a certificate that's available. So that's really the only way to fix it in this specific situation. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.